He knows what he's doing.
That wins. That wins.
So the entree is, we have a soy sauce, balsamic glaze marinade for steak kebabs with onions, peppers, and mushrooms. Our appetizer is going to be bruschetta with diced onions, mozzarella, and garlic. For our drink, we're making virgin mojitos with ginger ale, lime juice, pure maple syrup, and mint. And then for dessert, we're grilling peaches with a brown sugar cinnamon glaze with butterscotch.
Sparkling mint blackberry lemonade. Our appetizer is like toasted pita with a seasoned cream cheese spread and the cooked vegetables on top. Our main course is stuffed bell peppers, and our dessert is dessert kebabs. So it's like candied apples, oranges, and strawberries.
In our skit?
No, for the play.
Oh, the camp play? Oh.
Over here you can see the simple syrup with mint and a bunch of other stuff. It's mint and sugar and water. Pineapple mint lemonade. Yeah, now I'm doing a fried tonkatsu pork cutlet for the entree with a tonkatsu sauce and pickled vegetables. And then for the appetizer, we're doing burrata with caramelized peaches and caramelized sweet jalapenos.
We don't
Rancheros, chorizo tortas, horchata, translation.
Max, watch.
5.4.
I need a one
All the way to the
Benjamin. Thank you, bud. That's actually pretty good.
Yes.
I like the mojito the best. Pineapple's your favorite? I like the mojito. Yeah. I think the mojito takes it.
Seasoning is what carries you. Like, I feel like you got it.
The appetizer should be done at 6:20. It's 5:30 right now. How many appetizers have we
We're the third one.
We're out of cheese. Really? This is cheese. This is fried mozzarella on the bottom. So we replaced that with our cheese. We have diced tomatoes, basil, and a nice drizzle of balsamic vinaigrette.
Do you recommend eating it by hand or with a fork?
I recommend by hand. It's probably gonna be hard with a fork, but if it's too messy.
We have a knife too.
I love it.
This appetizer, we got toasted pita, seasoned cream cheese, diced onions, tomato, and mint leaves.
There's a lot going on here, but I'm into it.
Look, you just saved it. We made it like...
Turned out like just as planned. It was all the judges cleared their plates, so obviously that's a good sign.
Yo, who's proud? Hey, Trevor is...
I think we're in first right now.
Everything? Yeah, I agree.
So right now they're doing something with a pork chop.
It's a pork loin.
Pork loin, excuse me. And so they're putting pickled vegetables on the side.
I might need the marinades. We cooked! Alright, I got another cup.
This torta's good. It is good. Ooh, there's lime. Okay.
That's a big piece.
That's fine.
I think all the weight that I lost at camp today is going back in full force. And this is the first dessert.
Very good.
We're gonna melt the butter first.
Yeah, I'm saying like.
Alright, that's good. You can take it off. Have a little face up.
That was well worth skipping the burrito bowl meal.
Yeah, that was one of the best meals I've had in a long time.